everybody, Johnny B. Good here. Welcome to Manitowoc, Wisconsin. Alright, good news. I just done my DOT physical. No problem, everything went well. I am now recertified for one more year. I was actually on my way home, then I remembered Goldie is at 30,051 miles. Time to do for an oil change. I don't know whether they're gonna be able to squeeze me in or not. I don't have an appointment, but since it's on the way home, I thought I'd stop by and say hello and try if they can do an oil change. Look at all those couple of goldies over there. Well, let's go check it out if they can squeeze us in or not.
Hey.
I wouldn't mind having that.
What year is that? It's not a 2004, because in 2004 they were CRFs. That's an XR. left or right side there?
Left side, left arm, left side.
Jeez.